This Good to Go segment is sponsored by Spectrum Health Medical Group.
When you're coping with pain, relief looks and feels different for everyone. That's why Spectrum Health's spine and pain management team is expanding on the Lakeshore to provide personalized care based on each patient's unique health journey. Dr. Ryan Hodges is a physical medicine and rehabilitation clinician who will now be serving the Spectrum Health Zeeland Community Hospital and the Grand Haven Center. This is the first time these services will be available by Spectrum Health on the Lakeshore. And Dr. Hodges is here now to tell us more about this service expansion. Hi, Dr. Hodges.
Hi there. Thank you for talking with me today.
Yeah, glad to. Tell me about physical medicine and rehabilitation and the kinds of patients that you're seeing in the practice.
Yeah, so physical medicine and rehabilitation is a broad medical specialty. It covers everything from chronic injuries, traumatic brain injury, spinal cord injury, to conditions like sports injuries or things that we acquire over time, things like arthritis of various joints, chronic back pain. And the one thing that really brings all of those bits together is function. Our medical specialty is geared towards improving people's function through a variety of means. So we're trying to get people back to work, back to recreation, back to the things that they love to do on a day-to-day basis. I personally see patients with chronic pain conditions, fibromyalgia, chronic spine pain, sometimes spine pain that comes up out of nowhere and acutely or kind of all of a sudden. And that can be with sciatic pain or pain that goes down the legs or arms. But I also see arthritis and other joint pains as well.
Why do you hope that patients will come to see you before they see a surgeon?
Yeah, so people might come to a physical medicine and rehabilitation physician to help look into other things before we have to go down the route of surgery. Trying less invasive options first that don't impact your day-to-day life so much, like having to take time off for surgical intervention. So things that we can try are medication interventions, injections, and a variety of other things in other situations.
Tell me a bit about the services and procedures that you can provide for your patients. It's a wide list.
Yeah, so we provide a multimodal treatment. So that means that we're going to take things from all parts of treatment, physical therapy, medication management. But as far as procedures, I do a variety of injections. I do fluoroscopically guided spinal injections. I do ultrasound guided peripheral joint injections. And then I also work on the diagnostic side of things as well. So I perform EMGs or electromyographies, which can help diagnose peripheral nerve issues.
You have a colleague who is going to be serving patients right alongside you.
That's correct. Dr. Gouge is a neurosurgeon. We work closely with our surgical partners. He is somebody who's been established in Zeeland for some time now, but he's looking to expand his services here. He offers more of the surgical side of things. So if things need to be escalated for one reason or another to surgical intervention, he has a lot of experience in those options, whether it's a spinal surgery or if we're talking about neuromodulation options, things like spinal cord stimulation.
I understand there's no referral necessary to see you.
Yeah, so we're available most of the time with no referral needed, and people can kind of just give our office a call and we'd be happy to see them.
All right. 2 Lakeshore locations, folks, one at the Grand Haven Center, the other at Spectrum Health Zeeland Hospital. You can schedule an appointment by calling the number you see there on your screen. It is 616-774-8345, 774-8345. Dr. Hodges, thanks so much.
Thank you.